We will be discussing about the spore producing organ in case of equisetum. We all know that equisetum has vegetative as well as fertile shoot. At the apices of the shoot, they have the spore bearing compact structure called as strobili or strobilus. Singular is strobilus, plural is strobili or cones. Now these cones have a central axis called as a cone axis or a strobilus axis. On this axis what we have are attached many umbrella shaped sporangiophores. Now what exactly is sporangiophore? Sporangiophore is a stalk-like structure which is going to hold the spores. Now this sporangiophore, it is T-shaped structure. It is a T-shaped or umbrella-shaped structure. Sporangiophore is nothing but a structure which is going to hold the sporangium. So inner surface of this sporangiophore we have a sac-like structures. These sac-like structures are nothing but sporangium. This structure is called as sporangiophore. Sporangiophore is a peltate. It has an extended surface called as peltate disc. Sporangiophore is a stalk-like structure with extended outer surface, which we are going to call it as a peltate disc. In the inner surface of this sporangiophore, we have a sac-like structure called as sporangium. Inside this sporangium, what we have is the developing spores. So this structure, likewise we have sporangiophores arranged in whorl. This entire structure is formed where? In this cone or strobili. This cone or strobili at its lower surface has a ring-like structure called as annulus. Annulus is a ring-like structure on which what is present is a compact organ called as a strobili. In strobili what we have is a sporangiophore. These sporangiophore are the structures which are going to have on the inner side the presence of sporangium. Sporangium are the sac-like structure which are going to give space for the development of the spores. The extended region of the sporangiophore is called as peltate disc. Now this is how it looks like. Strobili, this is the annulus ring, the base on which the entire strobili is present. Below we have this is a shoot. On the shoot we have leaves, scaly leaves. This is in case of the fertile shoot. In case of the vegetative shoot we have the thin elongated spiny leaves. These are the scaly leaves which won't show any kind of photosynthetic activity. We have nodal region and internodal region. This is the structure of a fertile shoot. And this is how the ventral view of a single sporangiophore looks like, and this is the transverse section of the strobilus. We have the central axis called as strobilus axis. Transverse section we are going to have this picture. We have a central axis. This is what I was speaking of, a T-shaped or umbrella shaped structure called as sporangiophore. The extended part of this sporangiophore is called as peltate disc. On the inner side it is going to have this elongated sac-like structure called as sporangium. Inside a sporangium what we have is developing spores, and this region, black color region, is nothing but a stalk of the sporangiophore. So this is the description regarding the spore bearing organ in case of equisetum. So this is a longitudinal view. We saw this as a transverse view. If you are going to cut the cone likewise, it will be transverse. If you cut in a straight way, it will be longitudinal. So this is a longitudinal view. We have this central axis called as a strobilus axis. On the either side of this axis we have these sporangiophore, which are usually a T-shaped structure. Extended part is peltate disc. Internal to this is a sac-like structure called as sporangium. We have this at the base of this strobili, we have this ring-like structure called as cone. This cone is going to lead downward to the shoot. So in this sporangium, spores are present. In this way, this is a longitudinal section of the cone in case of equisetum. In our next session, we will be discussing about the development of these spores in the sporangium. Not to be confused with the sporangiophore, it is a stalk-like structure which is going to hold these sac called as sporangium. Inside the sporangium, we have spores. These sporangiophore are arranged on the cone. Cone is nothing but a strobilus which is formed at the apical region of the shoot, and at the base of the apical region we have first annulus. On the annulus what grows is this cone shaped structure which we are going to call it as an strobili, inside which we have sporangiophore. On the inner side of sporangiophore we have sporangium. Inside the sporangium we have the developing spores, and the central region they are arranged orally on the central axis. This is the longitudinal view. Thank you.